Hello guys, it's your boy Steven, and in this video I want to show you how you do a deposit on C12. So first things first, you go to invest. That's where you're supposed to click on invest. We have three options of withdrawing, of depositing. We're doing a deposit. We're doing a deposit. So there's BTC, Bitcoin. There's C20 and there's Tron. We'll select Tron for this case, and then I have $14 of Tron. So I'll put this $14 of Tron. I'm going to do 1.68 dollars every day. Okay, so I proceed to payment. Okay, so this address here is what I'm going to copy. So I'll copy this address. I'll go to my Tron link. Come here. I say I want to send this. Please paste that address that I had copied. Okay, and then I place next. Then now I'm going to copy 183.246. I copy that. Okay. In a minute, I have to copy this again. TBT. Paste. TBT. Okay. Next, the amount of tune I'm going to send is 183.246. Okay, 183.246, and then I click send. Okay, then I sign in. So once it has been accepted on the blockchain, I will confirm that the payment has gone through. So okay, so it has already been seen. There's one confirmation on the blockchain. Tron is that fast. So if you go to the account now, you see this is the $14 that I've just deposited right now, and then there are these which are still running. We have three more, so we have this which is still running. Okay, so that is just a brief overview on how we are supposed to deposit. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and if you want to jump in, you can jump in. There's a risk involved, but scared money makes no money. Wish you all the best. God bless you.